Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick little sew out of a lot of different, just a large array of different fabrics on the JUKI TL-2010Q. Okay, so right here on the table we have a very light chiffon weight, kind of like a lycra type of material, a lighter felt, a 3mm felt, some heavy canvas. So we'll go step by step, kind of show you what this machine is capable of doing. It has a lot of industrial type of features, which I really love coming from the industrial side. So we're gonna start with the chiffon. I lightened up the pressure foot on the foot, the pressure on the foot as well as the tension. The knee lifter makes it really easy. As close to the industrial machine as you can get. Okay, we have our back tack. And then we have our trimming option right here. We're gonna go and cut that. Okay, so light chiffon. Very lightweight chiffon. Great tension. Lightweight setup. Okay, so we'll move on. 2 plies. We can increase the pressure of the foot. We have our pressure gauge right here on the foot. We have our tension. We could dial it in. It has a little blue icon showing you what value that we're at. Let me sew inside out so you can see the stitches. And we can increase the stitches. Okay, let's go with a 1mm felt. We're going to double this one up. Slightly little more pressure. Slightly little more tension. That should do it. We'll test it out with that. Okay, that was 1mm felt folded up twice, so that's 2mm. We have a 3mm felt. Let's try 1 ply first. We're going to increase the pressure a little bit more on the foot so it makes more contact and more pressure. We'll increase the tension. This is 1 ply of a 3mm felt. You can see that there's no issues really feeding the fabric back. Thread. Okay. And we'll go on to the canvas.